Hello. Okay, boys. Papinayin na natin sila. Pwesto, pwesto. Okay, magandang hapon. Luzon na San Juan. Welcome to Playtime Eloy Center for the finals of Women's San Juan Girls Cup 2026. A project of Honorable Mayor Francis Zamora and City Council of San Juan with participation of Ligan and Barangay ng San Juan under the supervision of San Juan City Developmental and Sports Office. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome team players of your Barangay Onsen and Barangay Bagis. And now let's meet our players of your Barangay Onsen. Jersey number 0, Abigail Villar. Jersey number 1, Naomi Arellano. Jersey number 4, Saraya Reyes. Jersey number 5, Lesa Apicula. Jersey number 6, Rowena Borja. Jersey number 7, Nicole Snow. Jersey number 8, Mary Shea Bautista. Jersey number 9, Marty Bustamante. Jersey number 10, Shirley Embalsado. Jersey number 11, Maria Isna Aquavera. Jersey number 14, Anthony Salvador. Jersey number 19, Maria Luisa Milano. Jersey number 24, Hazel Lowe. Jersey number 25, Mary Joy Pascual. And jersey number 27, Shirley Ramos. Head coach Juan Santos, Itoy Ataya, and Ed Ramirez. And now let's meet players from your Barangay Bagis. Jersey number 5, Ashley Nicole Cruz. Jersey number 6, Lerma Joaquin Cuba. Jersey number 7, Armando Santiago. Jersey number 10, Jennifer Martin. Jersey number 12, Gomez Bocana. Jersey number 16, Ginaline Belmonte. Jersey number 18, Lorraine Marie Cuba. Jersey number 19, Ryan Tabal. Jersey number 21, Casey Clears. Jersey number 23, Carly Alcantara. Jersey number 29, Miriam Kahana. And jersey number 13, Rolene Eleanor Batacan. Head coach Kagawan Canel Pabloa and John Angel Ranino. Bigyan ng konti, bigyan. Bigyan mo na, picture mo na tayo. Picture.
Let's go.
Okay, good luck. Team Onsen, Team Badis.
Good luck from both teams. Let's go. Women's basketball finals sa ating 2026 San Juan City Mayor's Cup.
5 minutes more.
Inter Barangay. This is the battle between Barangay Once versus Barangay Badis. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling bagong kampiyon ngayong season 2026? Ayan, konting recap lamang po sa sa ating naglalaban ngayong gabi or hapon. Ayan, parehas 1-1 ang kanilang standing. Parehas nakabawi ang bawat isa. Sa kanilang pagtatungali ngayong first and second meeting. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling bagong kampiyon sa ating women's basketball? Malalaman natin yan maya lamang. Good luck!
Jersey number 9, Naomi Bustamante. Jersey number 11, Maria Isna Aspavera. And jersey number 24, Hazelin Cole. And now let's meet starting five from your Barangay Rallies. Jersey number 6, Derma Joaquin Tula. Jersey number 7, Margaret Santiago. Jersey number 10, Jennifer Martin. Jersey number 12, Lourdes Macaya. Jersey number 16, Kinalen Villamonte. Our referee for this game, Mark Texon, Darren Benavides, Brian Contomani, and Richard Cargill. Ladies and gentlemen, it's game time!
Steal out the pass.
Shut up, 10 seconds!
Number 0 for 3, no good. Rebound by Villamonte. There's a foul.
Jersey number 4, first personal foul. Jump ball. Ball possession goes to the Barangay. Once. Shooting ball. Jersey number 12. First personal foul.
Big throw area, number 12.
Bodies. First team foul.
First shot is good. And the first point para sa Barangay Bodies. Oh, sorry, correct. Onside. Second shot, in and out.
All jersey number 9, Bustamante. First personal foul. First team foul ng Barangay. The second team foul ng Barangay Once.
Martin. Pass to Garrett. Santiago. Nabitawan. Steal by Bustamante. Pass to go. Cross-court pass to Bustamante. Sidestep. Using the board. No. And a rebound. Martin. Two-round shot. Miss. Rebound by number 11. To number 0. Wala. And a rebound para sa Barangay Bodies. Santiago. Pass to Martin from the corner 3. No. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Pass, naka-recover, run and shot, miss, rebound by Go. Here comes Barangay 11. Number 24, pass to Bustamante. Bustamante, what an extra pass, VR, too strong. And a rebound by Villamonte. Recover dito ang Barangay Batis. Oh, bad pass. And that's a jump ball. Bola dito ng Barangay 11. Wala. No good, but there is a foul. That's BR. Time remaining 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Santiago short and a rebound by Go. Bad pass, steal by Villamonte. What an extra pass, Villamonte, wala. And a rebound, Villamonte again. Basket yan for Barangay Batis. Change favor. Lamang ng isa ang Barangay Batis. Go, setting on the play. Pass to Arellano. Back to Go. Cross-court pass to Villar. Villar, bounce pass to Bustamante. Bustamante up and under block. Bustamante again. No. Rebound by Villamonte. Pass to Santiago. Garrett, nagmamadali. Para extra pass. Jen Martin. Go, takan na bola. Paso Arellano. Tumeng. Bustamante at a high post. Bustamante. Nakalusot. Si Ming Bustamante. Outlet pass to Santiago. Santiago di diskarte. Step back 3. Short. Rebound by Bustamante. Pass to Go. Cross-court pass. Arellano. Too strong. Rebound ng Barangay Batis. Martin. Pass to Villamonte. Villamonte. Bounce pass to Santiago. But there's a foul. That's Arellano. That is sports personal foul. And on the free throw area, number 7, Garrett. Santiago. First shot is good. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Second shot for Garrett. Bola rito ng Barangay Batis or 11. Go for 3, no. Rebound, out of bounds. Last touch.
5 remaining, 5 minutes.
Bilisak 5 minutes tayo. Outlet pass to Jen. Martin, derecho, too strong. Number 12, miss. And there is a foul.
First mercy foul. Penalty.
On the free throw area, Villamonte. Shout out kay M. Antonio is watching. First shot, miss. Second shot for Villamonte. Miss. Rebound ng Barangay 11. And that's a travel.
It's a traveling violation.
Same ball.
Same ball.
Martin looking for his teammate. Bounce pass to number 12, but there's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 10. First mercy foul. Penalty.
Second shot, basket. Official score is 7-3 in favor of Barangay Batis. Number 19. Has to go to number 19. Hand off to VR. To go.
Shot clock 7 seconds.
Go. Random shot. Basket. For goal. Bounce pass. Oh, naku. Si Santiago. 9-5 ang ating talan. Bola rito ng Barangay 11. Number 19. Pass to BR at the post.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Nagagawan. And that's a jump ball.
Ball possession goes to Barangay Batis.
Shoutout pala rin kay Idol JP, Coach JP Gula is watching. And the former champion ng Barangay Santa Lucia head coach. Oh, all the way! By jersey number 12. Time out muna rito ang Barangay 11. 3 minutes and 28 seconds ang ating talaan. Time out muna ang Barangay 11. Tignan natin ang kanilang handle for this time out. Back to the ball game.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 28 seconds for the first quarter.
3 minutes and 28 seconds on the game clock para sa ating first quarter. Barangay 11 basketball. Number 19, pass to go. Setting on the play, go. At the post, kick out, go, 4-3. No, rebound by VR. VR, forward pass to go. Bounce pass, VR, go. Basket is good for VR. Margaret, but there is a foul, offensive foul for Santiago. Time remaining 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Barangay 11 basketball. DR. Pass number 19. At the post, Bustamante. Oh, and a steal by Villamonte. Outlet pass. Oh, out of bounds. Barangay 11 basketball. Bustamante. At the post, up and under, number 14, miss. And a rebound, makuha ng Barangay Batis. Number 19, pass to Martin. Jen, running shot, basket for Jen Martin. 13-7. Salvador. Pass to number 19. Honrado to Salvador. And a steal by Villamonte. Steal by Honrado. Honrado, what a pass. No good nga lang at there's a foul. By Villamonte. That is second team foul of Barangay Batis.
Shot clock, 10 seconds.
Bustamante, sidestep, no. Rebound, Bustamante miss. Another offensive rebound for Bustamante. What an extra pass, Honrado miss. Rebound. Ayan na ang Barangay Batis. Santiago. Santiago. Running shot and there's a foul.
Foul jersey number 10. Second personal foul.
That is second personal foul. Penalty. Barangay 11 under penalty situation. Second shot for Margaret. Santiago. Basket is good. Barangay 11 basketball.
1 minute.
Arellano. Pass to Arellano. Running shot. No. Rebound. And a steal. There's a foul.
Foul jersey number 18. First personal foul. Second team foul. Third team foul. Barangay Batis. Shot clock, 10 seconds.
Cross-court pass. Bustamante running shot. Miss. And a rebound. Bustamante. Basket is good. Forming Bustamante. Time remaining. Last 28 seconds.
25 seconds remaining.
Last 25. Oh, munti ka na magawan. Martin running shot. No, good. Rebound by Honrado. Honrado di-discarte.
10 seconds.
Staring on the play. Pass to Bustamante. Sidestep. Running shot. Miss. Another rebound. Bustamante. Basket is good. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Vicious score.
14-9 in Philadelphia. Barangay Batis.
14-9 at 3-point lead para sa Barangay Batis. Alright, tayo magbabalik para sa ating second quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon ng ating women's basketball? Ayan. Bati muna tayo sa ating mga shoutout. Sorry po Ayan, bati kay RR De La Cruz, Rob Jan. Ayan, pasensya na po dun sa kahapon kasi nagkaroon tayo ng mga problem sa technical. Kaya nag-adjust muna tayo for the meantime. Pasensya na po. Eto na rin natin dito sa baba naman. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo. And shoutout kay Julia Cristobal, Go Coach Junela Pabroa. Ayan, ang Barangay Batis. And shoutout din syempre kay M. Antonio. Ayan, shoutout daw. And shoutout din kay Maximo Eldrin. Ayan, shoutout J.R. De La Cruz, Florida. Ayan, sino daw for ML. Shoutout muli kay Coach JP Gula o Barangay Santa Lucia. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo Coach. And kay Coach Micah. And shoutout din kay Ex Maria, Ex Bayon. Labanan ng hugot. Ayan. Quiet lang daw. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo. And syempre, shoutout din kay Edralyn Ramirez. Sabi niya, Go 11. And pa-shoutout din kay Clint Axel Salazar. Shoutout din kay Namor Obligdor. Shoutout daw kay Idolog. Ayan, shoutout Idolog. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Bola rito ng Barangay Batis. Martin 4-3. Yes, para sa Tren. For Jen Martin. Kakapasok lang na ating second quarter. Nakapunta sa agad ng 3 points si Jen Martin. VR cross-court pass to Honrado. Pass to Arellano. Babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Villamonte. Ayan na, nagagawan. Makakuha rito ni number 5. And a steal by Villamonte. And a steal by Honrado. Bad pass. Wala rito ng Barangay Batis. Barangay Batis basketball. Martin. Oy. And that's a trouble. Bola nito ng Barangay 11. Go, setting on the play. Aso Arellano. Cross-court pass. Steal by Villamonte. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Number 12. Basket. Go. Pass to BR. Pass to Meng. Bustamante running shot. Wala. Rebound by Bustamante. Oh, that's a trouble. Bola rito ng Barangay Batis. Number 12 setting on the play. Pass to Martin. Jen, stop and pump for 3. Wala. Rebound. There's a foul again for Barangay Batis. Number 6. That is first personal foul. First team foul of Barangay Batis. Barangay 11 basketball. Go. Setting on. Pass to VR from elbow 3. In and out. And a rebound by Bustamante. Bustamante block. And a save. Bustamante with a steal. Using the board. Wala. Another rebound. But there's a foul. Oh, Barangay Batis. Time remaining 7 minutes and 51 seconds. Foul dito si Jen Martin. 14 second shot clock to shoot. Arellano setting on the play. Arellano. BR for 3. Wala. And a rebound ng Barangay Batis. And that's a jump ball.
Ball possession goes to Barangay.
Bola rito ng Barangay 11. 14-second shot clock to shoot.
Second shot clock.
Go. Paso Arellano. Back to VR. VR. Quick. Oh. But there's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 7.
Foul number 7.
Second personal foul.
That's Ana Margaret Santiago.
Barangay Batis.
Bola rito ng Barangay 11.
Seconds.
Cross-court pass. Running shot and one.
Isla Cuavera.
Cuavera.
Jersey number 7.
Basket count and one. Ball shot for a 3-point play.
Batis. And 1 on jersey number 11. Cuavera.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 17 seconds para sa ating first half. Cuavera on the free throw area for a 3-point play. Cuavera, basket. Time out, Barangay Batis.
Timeout, Barangay Batis.
And official score 19-14. 5-point lead para sa Barangay Batis. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Barangay Batis for this timeout. Shoutout mo tayo sa kay Ma'am Dalen Guarino. Go Barangay Batis. And shoutout din kay Robles Daddy John. Shoutout sa Robles family. And shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Okay, back to the ball game. And official score 19-14. 5-point lead for Barangay Batis. Jen Martin, running shot and gets the foul on the free throw area.
Jersey number 9.
Number 6.
Second personal foul. Personal foul on Barangay Batis.
First shot is good. Jersey number 6. Yeah. Second shot para jersey number 6. Uy, wala. And a rebound. Out of bounds. Sayang. Hindi ka na yun. For goal.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
14-second shot clock to shoot. Barangay Batis basketball. Santiago.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Number 16, Villamonte miss. And a rebound. Barangay 11. Cuavera. Pass to go to Bustamante. Cross-court pass, VR, pass to Arellano, wide open shot, too strong. And a rebound by Santiago. Santiago, with the guy, sa kanan, too strong. Rebound again by Santiago. Pass to Villamonte. Basket is good. 22-14. In favor pa rin sa Barangay Batis. Go. Pass to VR.
Shaka 10 seconds.
At the post, Bustamante. Uy, wala. And a rebound, Jen. Pass to Arellano. Arellano, sidestep. Basket is good. Timeout, Barangay 11. Official score 24-14.
5 minutes and 49 seconds.
10-point lead para sa Barangay Batis. Timeout muna rito ang Barangay 11. Yan naman natin ang handle ng Barangay 11 for this timeout.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
The score 24-14 in favor of your Barangay Batis.
24-14, 10-point lead para sa Barangay Batis with the time remaining 5 minutes and 49 seconds para sa ating first half. Barangay 11 basketball. Arellano. Acobera, pass to VR, too strong, rebound by Jen. Marty, pass number 12, outlet pass. Villamonte, what extra pass, Santiago. Basket is good. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Batis. Bustamante. Paso Acobera.
10 seconds.
Random shot, basket. For Acobera. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Barangay Batis. Santiago. Paso number 12. Villamonte. Pinagay kay Jen. Martin for jump shot. Oh, good. So good. Rebound and a steal. Santiago. Basket yan. For Margaret. Santiago. 28-16. Go, di diskarte. Pass to Bustamante at high post. Bustamante. Uy. And offensive foul for Megan. Bustamante. Bustamante has 12 personal foul. Villamonte, wala. Rebound by Jen. Martin. Pass to Villamonte. Oh, and a steal. Or go. Go, nagmamadali. Ayun na. Go. PR, and there's a offensive foul.
Abonyar, second personal foul.
Ayan, Bunyar.
30 foul, Barangay Batis.
Wala dito ng Barangay Batis. Martin. Pass to number 12. Inigay. Oh! Basket is good for Barangay Batis. 30-16. Number 19. Pass to Go. And that's a 3-second violation. Bounce pass, Villamonte, miss. Rebound by number 11, Acovera. Pass to go. Oh, there's a foul for Jen Martin.
On the jersey number 10, Jen Martin.
Penalty.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Barangay Batis penalty situation on the free throw area. Number 0, VR. Wala mo na ball, idol. Tubog. Second shot. VR, basket.
Substitution. Time remaining 3 minutes.
There's a foul again.
On the jersey number
Conrado.
19, Conrado. Second personal foul. 14 foul, Barangay onside.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 58 seconds on the game clock. Barangay Batis basketball. Naiwanan. Santiago, running shot, miss. And a rebound by Barangay Batis. Pass to Villamonte, pass to Jen, pass number 12, and a rebound by Villamonte. But there's a foul. Number 0.
On the jersey number 0.
That's VR.
We have a third personal foul.
Third personal foul. Both teams under penalty situation. I should the line. Number 16, Villamonte. First shot, no good. Second shot for Hona. Villamonte. Basket. 31-17. Honrado. Pass to Honrado. VR. Running shot. There's a foul.
It's on the jersey number 19, Conrado.
Yes,
Third
penalty.
personal foul. Penalty.
Kalyan on the free throw area.
Shooting for two.
First shot is good. Kay Kalyan. Second shot. Miss. And a rebound by Honrado. Oh, a steal. Ay na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Ay. Yeah, go.
Ball possession was scored by Atis. Substitution. Sherga, 12 seconds.
12-second shot lang to shoot. Cruz. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound. Bocalian. Miss. Another rebound. Bocalian didiskarte. Pass to Cruz. Back to Bocalian. Back to Cruz. Cruz. To Tubog. Miss. Another rebound. Tubog. And gets the foul. Number 10. Acovera. Oh, sorry. Good shot, miss. Second shot for Tubog. Miss. rebound. Number 14. That's number 14. Kick out. Go. Running shot. Wala. And a rebound. Out of bounds.
Advance save ball. Shot clock 14 seconds.
14 seconds shot left to shoot. Honrado. Pass number 14. Kick out. Go. Wide open. Shot. Short. Rebound. And out of bounds.
Advance block ball.
Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by VR. VR namamadali. VR derecho. Pass to go to VR. VR up and under. Basket. Nabasa 11 ang lamang ng Barangay Batis.
Time remaining 45 seconds.
Sorry.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
There's a foul. Time remaining, last 39 seconds. On the free throw area, jersey number 10, Jen Marty.
Foul jersey number 14, Salvador. First personal foul.
First shot para kay Jen. Basket. Second shot for Jen Martin. Wala. Rebound. Ooh.
Foul on jersey
Foul.
number 12.
Number 12, Pukalyan.
Second personal foul.
And
Penalty.
on the free throw area, number 7, Snow. First shot, miss. Second shot para kay Snow. Wala. Rebound by Tubog. Oh! Out of bounds. Last touch.
Save ball. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Ooh, offensive foul.
On jersey number 14, Salvador. Second personal foul.
That is second personal foul. And
Time
wala pa.
remaining
Offensive
28
foul.
seconds.
Last 28. Martin. Pass to Villamonte. Back to Martin. Wide open shot. Miss. And a rebound by Pukalyan. But there's a foul.
Foul on jersey
Number 0. VR.
fourth personal foul.
Oh.
Warning.
That is fourth personal foul. Agad si VR. Malaking bagay ito para sa Barangay Batis. Nung wala ang sa mga inaasahan ng Barangay 11. Pulang po, idol. Thank you. Second shot for Pukalyan. Miss. Another rebound. Oh, but there's a foul again.
Foul on jersey number 14, Salvador.
Number 14, Salvador. Two shots once again for Pukalyan. That's Lourdes Pukalyan. First shot, in and out. Second shot for Pukalyan. Malayo. Rebound. Ayan na. Last 13 seconds.
Remaining 8 seconds.
Arellano. Out of bound. Last single.
Time remaining 4 seconds.
Last 4 seconds remaining. Snow. Pass to Salvador. Oh, and a steal. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half.
In the second quarter, official score 33-21 in favor of North Barangay Batis.
Alright, magkakat muna tayo for the meantime. 21-33 in favor pa rin sa Barangay Batis. Babalik tayo for the second half. Maraming salamat po kasi nanonood.